Hey everybody, it's Matt, 417 Storm Chasers. We've got a tornado warning here. Let me see if we can get this pulled back out. This is going to be for northeastern Newton and southern Jasper counties at 11:13. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dunaweg or near Joplin, moving east at 40 miles an hour. This will be eastern Joplin, Carthage, Webb City, Carterville, Duquesne, Sarcoxy, Dunaweg, Fidelity, Wentworth, La Russell, Brooklyn Heights, Reeds, Atlas, and Overland or Oakland Park until 11:45. So it's this area right here. Check and see you're on. I'm gonna guess it's probably that spot right there. So get the stream shared real quick. Okay. I think I got it shared out. Yep, I did. All right, cool. So, yeah, we are still have another severe thunderstorm warning up here until midnight. It's right around Anderson, moving east at 40. So if you're in Fidelity, Sarcoxy, La Russell, south side of Carthage, it's probably good to take your tornado precautions now. Um, so Sarcoxy, you're looking at it's only 20 minutes to Sarcoxy, 15 to Reeds, 24 to La Russell. So if you're in those areas, you need to be moving to your tornado safe places, taking your safety precautions. I got warnings all up and down this thing right now. So this was the original for a extremely dangerous situation, severe thunderstorm, till 11:45 for southeast Cherokee County, Joplin, and Newton County. Joplin, Carthage, Neosho, Webb City, Carl Junction, Baxter Springs, Galena, Ornogo, Seneca, Granby, Carterville, Duquesne, Sarcoxy, Dunweg, Diamond, Loma Linda, Airport Drive, Leewood, Silver Creek, and Fairview. That goes until 11:45. Whoa. Kyle, you've got a ways for Waynesville. I mean, yes, it will eventually, but the area that we're watching right now is not impacting Waynesville currently. What we're watching is here more to the far southwest corner of the state. Is this a flood warning? Yes, there's a flash flood warning here on the backside too. It looks like in the Pittsburgh area. So this area still here is where we're keeping an eye on. Looks like just south of Carthage coming across I-49. Looks like I-49 just south of 96, kind of that area. Yeah, it's still got a pretty good hail core to it as well. A little quarter-inch hail. There's super strong wind right there. Just right, let's see. Highway 59. It's Highway 59 and FF. Sorry if you hear chatter in the background. I've got the my Skyward net on right now. Good thing. I mean, the storm does look like it's trying to bow out a little bit. So, okay, another severe thunderstorm warning right here. This is going to be for It's going to be for Berry County, Lawrence County, and Southern Dade County until 12:30. 11:25, severe thunderstorm located along a line extending from near Jasper, 6 miles west of Sarcoxy, to near Goodman, moving east at 40. Says radar indicated multiple reports of 60 to 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts have been received. VTEB, Rock Lake, Roaring River State Park, Monette, Aurora, Mount Vernon, Cassville. Hang on a second, guys. Hello. Hey, I love you. Can I call you right back? We got a tornado warning just to the west of us. I'm live right now.
Okay.
I'll call you right back in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
All right, love you. Bye. Okay. So yeah, 11:25, located along the line extending near Jasper, 6 miles west of Sarcoxy. Goodman moving east at 40. Got 16 minutes left on that. So this is a pretty large severe thunderstorm warning here. What's this meso saying? Okay. Well, it does look like it's not quite as defined, at least in that last scan. It doesn't look like it's not quite as tight as it was. Yeah, so see they've cut down the warning box now. Um Now it's just Carthage, Sarcoxy, Fidelity, Wentworth, LaRussell, and Reeds. So it'll be I-44 mile markers 15 to 31. So again, if you're in the Sarcoxy, LaRussell, Wentworth, all along that I-44 corridor section there, it's probably best be in your tornado safe places for the next 20, 25 minutes or so till this storm gets through. Good thing is it looks like on the back side of it there's not much continuing on, so I'm gonna imagine this is gonna be our show for the day. 28. All right, we got a few more minutes before the next scan. All right, I'm gonna pop the camera off for just a minute and we'll be back on shortly. So we should have a new scan coming up in about 2 minutes. So still pushing along Russell, Sarcoxy, Scott City. And then we'll see if they're going to continue this tornado warning further. But I would say if you're in that area, be a good time to just get yourself ready. Yeah. Mm. So this is this area right here. So this is the area they're warning off of right here. If you see, that's right inside that notch. You hear them talk about a notch of a storm. That's what they're talking about right there. So you got the so you've got air coming this, wind coming this way and this way. So that's what causes your rotation right there. So it looks like Joplin, you're all out of it now. Joplin, Webb City, Dunaweg, that area, you're all on the backside of the storm now. So I'm interested to see if they push this tornado warning out or if they put a tornado possible tag on this other one. See what NWS does. Still got a hail core. Yep, it does. Yeah, a little over quarter inch in between Fidelity and Sircoxy. Okay, it looks like we got a new scan in. Just a moment. It does look like it's trying to choke itself. So pretty much, if you're I-49 to the south, um, you look to be in the clear of the storm right now, at least in the Joplin area. So big thunder rumbles out there. Hmm. Okay. So it looks like we just got a new scan in. Sorry if I'm not staring directly at the camera. I got everything pulled up on this bigger monitor. Yeah, you see here, it does look like it's trying to weaken right now. And you see just the intensity of that outbound air is kind of it's kind of choking itself right now, at least on that. So that's a good sign. So we got 5 minutes left on that tornado warning. Becca and Exeter. Looks like they're going to extend that. Yeah, they extended the tornado warning out for an hour. So this will be northeastern Newton, Lawrence County, Jasper County until 12:30. So this is severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Sarcoxy, moving east at 40. This will impact Monette, Aurora, Mount Vernon, Marionville, Sarcoxy, Pierce City, Verona, Stott City, Halltown, Freistatt, Wentworth, La Russell, Reeds, Hobart, and Chesapeake. For the I-44 between markers 21 and 58. So that's going to cover all this area here. Okay, here we go. So again, we've got this tornado warning continuing for northeastern Newton, Lawrence, and southern Jasper counties until 12:30. This will be Aurora, Monette, Aurora, Mount Vernon, Marionville, Sarcoxy, Pierce City, Verona, Stott City, Halltown, Freistatt, Wentworth, La Russell, Reeds, Hobart, and Chesapeake. Okay, sorry, I'm just trying to answer your questions. 41. All right, we should have another scan here coming up momentarily. What is going on? This is not wanting to refresh. Okay. All right, so Stott City, Mount Vernon, Pierce City. Be best to be in your tornado safe spaces for at least the next 45 minutes. Why is this not staying and keep playing? All right, I'm gonna have to restart. Otherwise, this thing is froze. Sorry, everybody. Weatherwise kind of froze up. Okay, now we're back. All right. So it looks like what is this thing do? Okay, so the one tornado warning to the east or west is expired now. So we're just continuing this main one here for the Mount Vernon area, Mount Vernon, Verona, Aurora, Marionville, up to Halltown, all along 96. So pretty much from 60 to 96. Oh, second tornado warning. Looks like we got another tornado warning for northern Barre, southeastern Lawrence until 12:15. This thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Purdy or 7 miles southwest of Monette, moving east at 60. So this will impact Monette, Aurora, Purdy, Pioneer, Jenkins, McDowell, Pleasant Ridge, Wheelerville, and Madry. Looks like they pushed out a severe thunderstorm warning here too for southwestern Dallas, southern Polk, and Greene counties, northeastern Dade until 12:45. 11:47, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending near Bolivar to near Walnut Grove to near Everton, 6 miles south of Lockwood, moving east at 50 miles an hour. So this will impact Springfield, Bolivar, Republic, Stockton Lake, Battlefield, Willard, Stratford, Ashgrove, Fairgrove, Walnut Grove, Pleasant Hope, Fairplay, Morrisville, Brookline, Dadeville, South Greenfield, Aldrich, Glidewell, Turners, and Bodark. Yeah, it's gonna be this spot here. It looks like it's just to the northeast of Fairview. So I'm gonna guess they're still at Warren off of this bit here. Because they're south of Sarcoxy. So if you're Purdy, Monette, anywhere along Highway 37 from about Cassville north up to Highway 96. Come on, stop tagging that. Okay, let's put this back in motion. Yeah, it kind of looks like that area between Monette and Purdy. Kind of right along 37. What highway is that? Between B Highway and Highway 60 on 37. Looks to be where that area rotation is. Excuse me. Looks like still the same one in between Sarcoxy and Stott City. Still a severe thunderstorm warning. Sorry. All right. Well, so let's see what this. We just got a new scan. Yeah, definitely. This has got to be that spot right there, just south of Monette, kind of smack dab between Monette and Purdy. Right. Well, we're just kind of in a holding pattern right now, waiting to see how this storm starts to mature. Got some pretty high tops to it too. 30,000 for those. 55,000. That's a big storm. I would definitely say if you're on 37 between Monette and Purdy, for sure be in your tornadoes. And it looks like they're getting ready to issue another tornado warning. This will be Central Berry County until 12:30. At 11:54, severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Purdy or near Cassville, moving east at 60. This will impact Table Rock Lake, Roaring River State Park, Cassville, Shell Knob, Exeter, Butterfield, Washburn, Emerald Beach, and Wayne. Yeah, I'm gonna guess this is probably it here, right there over the Butterfield area. Yeah, Beck, I see that. It looks like, I mean, Exeter's here. And even when you look on velocity of where this has got to be the area that they're issuing off of on the for that tornado warning is this spot right here near Butterfield. So I mean, if you're kind of in Exeter proper, looks like it's north right now of the city of Exeter. So we have 3 active tornado warnings now. So, yep. Yet again, now we wait for the next scan. So we still have 3 active tornado warnings. It's going to be this one here has 33 minutes left on it. 18 minutes on this one in the Purdy area. And yeah, I can't see. Still 12:30, still 32 minutes left on that one, or 33 minutes. It's like they just issued another severe thunderstorm warning. Should be Eastern Newton, Taney, Christian, Stone, Eastern McDonald, Berry, Southern Lawrence, and southeastern Jasper until 1 o'clock. It's at 11:57. A severe thunderstorm located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Mount Vernon to near Purdy to near Pea Ridge, moving east at 50. Hazards are 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Locations impacted: Nixa, Ozark, Branson, Lake Taneycomo, Table Rock Lake, Bull Shoals Lake, Roaring River State Park, Big Sugar Creek State Park, Table Rock State Park, Shepherd of the Hills State Park, Monette, Aurora, Mount Vernon, Hollister, Cassville, Silver City, Kimberling City, Forsyth, Marionville, and Clever. And that goes until 1 o'clock. Boy, this storm was messy. Yeah, this is the thing, guys. The storm is moving relatively fast. So, um, now's the time to prepare if you're out to the west of it, or the east of it, rather, because the storm is moving pretty quick. Right. Okay. Hmm. Even that rotations looks like it's right there. I would guess there's Star City or Travers, maybe here in between Exeter and Cassville. Oh, there's a lot of spots. And the two to the south definitely look more defined than um, the one to the north. Kind of this over here in between Stops and Sarcoxy. Ooh, too far. Way too far. think this one can be the soonest one. Yeah, this one's got 10 minutes left on it. So it looks like pretty much if you're south of I-49, you're good to go right now. Because it doesn't look like there's anything out behind it. So if you're I-49 and west, you're good. And in reality, it looks like probably Granby to west. Come on, computer. It's being slow. What was this meso discussion? Oh, for heavy rainfall. Be interesting to see if they continue this this one tornado warning there in Purdy area, or if they push them out. And again, these are all still radar indicated. I've been listening to the Skywarn chat, and I haven't heard, um, you know, anything out of the ordinary on there. Hmm. Let's see, 23 minutes left still on the north one. 8 minutes on that one. 23 minutes on that one. Thunder's getting with it. Okay, I think they said they just canceled. They canceled one of the warnings. Let's see which one it is. Should fall off the map here in a second. Or did they just cut a box down? All right, I gotta turn this lighting off. There's too much going on this map right now. There we go. I mean, obviously, there's still a lot of lighting going along with this thing, but it looks like they sliced down that one center warning area that's got 6 minutes left. So now it looks like Purdy, Butterfield, Exeter, you're out of that tornado warning at this time. Cassville still is. Um, Verona, Aurora, Marionville should probably go ahead and be if you're taking your tornado safety precautions now, because the storm is moving in that general direction, and it's moving quick. So this area right here is what we're watching. It's kind of coming across right across Highway 60 right now between Verona and Pierce City. So the Cassville one's still not. I mean, my guess would be this spot here, 248, between 248 and 86. Um, Now this one here, this one looks a little better for a rotation signature right here. I would say this southern one's here, and I'm still not 100% sure on the on that northern storm. What and maybe this spot here, kind of Scott City area. Yeah, because they're on the normalized rotation track, that same area. Just gonna let this loop because we're still about 4 minutes out from our next scan. So, yep. So yeah, Marionville, Aurora, Halltown, all those places. Still, just go ahead and stay in your safe places. Any mesoscale discussion? No. We should have a new scan coming in momentarily. So again, the main area of rotation that I'm seeing is there in the Verona area. But I mean, if you're Highway 37 and yeah, pretty much Highway 37 and west, you're good to go. I close back so you're not just staring at that. I'm just trying to answer everybody's questions. So again, if you're to the west of Highway 37, you're good to go ahead and come out of your tornado safe spaces and really good to go to bed.
Kamala Harris, I approve this message.
Okay. Mark, Miami, Oklahoma. Yeah, you're pretty good in Miami, Oklahoma. Miami. Look at this bow coming on. Some super strong wind pushing that storm. Okay, so it looks like the center, the tornado warning in between the Cassville one and the Mount Vernon one, looks like they've let that polygon expire. We've got 10 minutes on the south one and 10 minutes on the north one. So we'll see if they continue that on to the east. And the storm does look like it's trying to trying to weaken itself a little, but that doesn't mean it can't re-intensify. Kelsey for Nixa. Yeah, I mean, I live in Springfield and we are already starting to hear it, but um, timing wise, thanks so much for the report. About 36 minutes to Nixa. Does look like looks like both of the severe thunderstorm warnings are now um they now have tornado possibles on them, which kind of leads me to believe that they may let those warnings expire when they do. But we'll see. Well, we do have severe thunderstorm warnings. They're not exactly accurate stuff. Limited is a hazard, but flying over, where that which that brings sense. I want that too. Station and there who are completely unreadable and static. Go ahead and try reposition that's the feeling. That's radio. Try visiting your power, and then go ahead and try and take your okay. So I would say Billings, Crane, Halltown, pretty much 96 south and east of Highway 39. Probably best to be taking your tornado precautions or at least having your plan ready to execute if you need to. See if this storm, if they carry it along or not. Let that play for just a second. Because we still got about another minute. Where you're at, clever.
time with a tornado possible tag on it. Doesn't sound like they're gonna use tornado warning in Dickinson County, but
Yeah, so they're just talking on the Skywarn chat right now that they're thinking they're not gonna continue those tornado warnings. Which I would agree. I mean, I see why I mean, that's my guess as to why they issued these with the tornado possibles for the severe thunderstorms. It does look like the areas of rotation are starting to soften up a little bit.
sunshine at Palmer 120 and 35. Think the last beginning to be reported to show the weather service. Came here being something. I went out. Monitoring the National Weather Service is going to go ahead and expire tornado warning for Perry and Lawrence County. Keep in mind though, that the severe thunderstorm warning.
Looks like they are going to let. Are they going to let him expire? Come on, update.
Keep that in mind. And again, we do have some here, but it's the morning about much of the far southwest, very pleasant. Pretty much all the way from Oliver down to Springfield.
According to the scanner, National Weather Services. Oh, canceling, yeah.
Spotters are out in your areas. Maybe guys taking severe weather reports or any damage reports at this time. Again, I reiterate that we're only taking severe weather reports or any storm damage reports at this time. 60 JD, very Skywalk.
Yeah, this whole thing's got warnings all over it. So I got 2 minutes left on those tornado warnings. Seems things have started down again. Yeah. It does look like it's trying to fall apart. The 2 warnings should be falling off here before too long. There you have it. Looks like the 2 warnings we had, they've let expire. So now you just have one tornado possible, severe thunderstorm warning. Goes until 1 o'clock. Nixa, Ozark, Branson, Lake Taneycomo, Table Rock Lake, Pole Shoals Lake, Roaring River State Park, Table Rock State Park, Shepherd of the Hill State Park, Big Sugar Creek State Park, Monette, Aurora, Mount Vernon, Hollister, Cassville, Silver Dollar City, Kimberling City, Forsyth, Marionville, and Clever. And that goes until 1 o'clock. It looks like the Springfield area as well. 13 minutes left on that severe thunderstorm warning. It's just this southern one that has the tornado possible on it. It actually looks like they sliced down part of that that warning box now. So they just issued a flood warning. Honestly, I think we'll probably go ahead and end the stream. Because these are, this storm is just falling apart. So we've only got 10 minutes left on that severe thunderstorm warning. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. Looks like we'll be good, but if something pops back up, we'll come back and go live and cover it for everybody. So until then.